new package arrived. This is the new cooler for the $2,000 2015 AMD build. Not worth that anymore, but we're still doing it anyways. This cooler, if you have any brain at all, you would know that this cooler is not from 2015, and I can explain that. Here's the one that we had from 2015, well, somewhere around there. The H110i GTX. The pump died on that, so I had to get a new pump, and all the other ones from that time period have been since discontinued, so this is the closest I could get to that. And today, we're going to be installing everything into that case, along with a new AIO. Let's get started. Finally in. Okay, it only took 8 small individual screws to put in, but it is in now. Now I'm going to put the motherboard in, followed by the graphics card. And then, I got some extra fans here from the rad that died. Or, well, the all-in-one that died. It was a pump on the all-in-one that died, that I could probably also mount somewhere else in the case to give it better airflow. I'm not sure where to put it. I might do that as well. We'll see. Problem number 1. I just had some clearance issues with this USB here. I actually had to push quite hard and kind of squeeze it in there, besides this screw on this fan, because for whatever reason clearance was a problem there on this, but not on this. And these fans are the exact same thickness and the exact same size as these EVGA ones. That was frustrating. I got scared for a second. I thought that it wasn't going to fit, but it fit now, and now I'm happy, so we're going to continue and forget that happened. Final screws are in place now, and there's not really much left to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. By the magic of the internet, everything is plugged in, and everything is screwed in, and now all we have to do is, moment of truth, you guys. Hey, it's working! I've been watching Tech Linked for the last 5.5 minutes, and it's been working pretty good. I haven't gotten over 30 degrees Celsius yet, which means the new AIO is working great. I did have some boot problems originally. I just spat carrot out on myself. Which either meant just something wasn't plugged in all the way, or from its last boot, it was set to this boot device has Windows, use this as your boot device. And I had the cord in the wrong one or something, or whatever. I moved the cords around and then turned it off and back on, and then it worked. And then I went into BIOS and went all DLCP settings. Everything's on auto except, yeah. Turned CPU spread spectrum off. That's it. Everything's working great right now, and I don't really want to do anything to it, because last time I did something to it, I killed a pump. So I'm just gonna leave it. But hey, if you like this video, then subscribe, because there's gonna be more. I'm gonna watch Tech Linked now, so goodbye.